right. So Monday recap. Uh, I didn't take any trades today. I was tape reading today, but we did have a nasty setup today, so I want to go over that. Um, Before that, we have the outlook for the week, right? So we have Powell speaking in the afternoon. That's why I didn't trade today. Also because we had NFP this week. We had that on Friday. So like generally we don't have, as good price action, especially on Mondays. So just took the Monday off. Tuesday we can expect better price action because of PMI and job openings. Probably looking to take a trade like 1050, 1110 macro. Yeah, NFP on Wednesday, unemployment claims Thursday. Probably not going to trade that day. It's the day before NFP right here with unemployment and hourly earnings. Whole bunch of shit on Friday, so hopefully get a pretty good move on Friday. We'll see. Um, but yeah, let me pull up trading view real quick. Okay. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna kind of run through this really quick because it's nothing really special. Right off the market open, we just ran and swept out these London highs up here. Higher time frame, we did have all this low resistance liquidity, but this is a high resistance liquidity level and can expect a reverse off of that. S&P with it is also pretty strong. So you had that S&T. Now all I'm waiting for, if I were to take a trade, was a displacement through a low and have a fair value gap open. So you had displacement right here off the S&T right away. But two things. We didn't get a short-term high swept, so we didn't get a breaker block. And also we immediately rebalanced it, and so didn't really count that as displacement. And there's nothing for me to take. There's no displacement through low or none of that. So waiting for price to do something. We just kind of consolidating a little bit, and then we create another SMT right here, then another SMT. And then we get this candle right here. That is the obvious displacement, market structure shift below this low. We open up this fair value gap, and we have yeah, we do have this breaker right here. So you have this high, low, and then this would be an SMT higher high, and then a lower low right here. Yep. Yeah, right there. So we have unicorn set up right here, highly algorithmic trade. So I'm just gonna mark it out for y'all. We got that breaker block right there. And then we have a fair value gap overlapping it perfectly. Uh, yeah. So like that is a beautiful setup. Um, Yeah, that is just there's nothing to complain about that. We had these lows right here, these equal lows right here with this 50-minute for value gap. And 9:30 open range gap. We were all down here. So a lot of confluences to go short. So I would have went right here. I would have put my stops at this high. So 20-point stop. And then TP, first TP would have been this this low right here. And then second TP would have been here. And then I would have left probably a runner maybe to down here or something. So let me just mark that out real quick. So yeah, first TP right here. Second TP is already marked, and then third TP down here. So we would have pulled out 4.5 RR on this trade. I'm just gonna do a replay just to kind of simulate it type shit. Get I want to get ES out of here. Get this one big boy. Yeah, just one big screen. I like it big, you know what I mean? Yeah, so just playing price, right? Oh, crazy displacement. Displacement like below that low. Let's see if we open up a fair value gap. Oh, we do? We have a breaker block overlapping a fair value gap. Bet, bro, I'm going to enter short. So just waiting for price to tag me in. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me Let me go back real quick. Hold on. I missed my entry. Let me go. Yeah, right there. Right. Can I set limits on this? I don't. Let's actually, I want to see if I can. If I, oh no, I can't. All right. Well, we're just gonna get a horrible fill, but that's fine because it's just replay. I would have been like 12 contracts. I'll just do like 15 right there. Yeah, would we get displacement down, stop loss up here, TP, final TP would have been down here, so I'm just gonna leave it there for now. And yeah, this is exactly what I've been risking this trade. A little less actually, but yeah, so we're displacing down macro working exactly how it's supposed to be working. We have this fair value gap open up. And if you have the confidence, you can add a little bit more to your position. We got that. Inversed it, but then we get, hold on, we get that move right there. So if you feel like it, you can add another five probably. I'll pull my stops to here probably, and my fill would be like here-ish because I got a really bad fill. It filled me right here instead of all the way up here. So this would be up here. So my break even would be like right here. Well, it would be like right there. But yeah, I probably would have added on my position right there. Just because I could have kept my break even point even with my stop loss. And if I'm confident if the trade's going down there, I'm gonna add to my position because if I get stopped out, then that's fine because that's where I put my stop loss anyways. But if I hit this target, I get a bigger winner. So pyramiding is pretty strong and definitely is should be used. Could have pyramided again right there. Uh, and I'm not gonna do it anymore just because, don't feel like it necessarily. But we're waiting for this low to get hit. We edge that shit. So at that point, I would move my stops to break even because if we got that close to my take profit and then just reversed up and then got me out for a loss, I'll be tight. So I'm trying to save my mental. And then we sweep it. So then I'm out. How do I? Oh shit. Do I only have one take profit? Can I? Okay, well, I took out everything. But so yeah, that would have gone down and then edged my second TP and then boom, that would have taken out. I would have taken half right here, boom, my stops are right there. And then after that would have taken a hit, I would have taken another third off. I mean, another fourth off. So I'd been three-fourths out of my position. So 75% out of my position. And I would have left a runner right here. And I probably would have put my stops right here. So yeah, stops right there. So still stopped in profit. And just in case Price wants to run down and get this, I can get a couple extra points. Or like I can gain like, I don't know, let's say that's probably like 30 handles, or I can lose 10 handles in profit on that one-fourth of my trade. So I don't see a point of not taking this. This basically just means it's like a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Um, but I'm gonna be in profit anyways. So it's always keeping your winners bigger and your losers smaller. So price never came down there, reverse from there. Got again another unicorn setup. So we got this low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Made an S&T inside this 15-minute fair value gap. Displacement above this high, and then fair value gap right here. And I believe it came back up and took the highs. I wasn't watching price after this because I saw everything I needed to. But yeah, during the macro, this is when I would be taking my trade. Came back into this breaker block right here. Let's see if it ended up supporting price. Let's see if we had actually like a 2 minute fair value gap or something. Yeah, we had a 2 minute right here, breaker block. So if I were to enter, I would be done for the day. But if I were to enter, if I want to enter like half the positions, like 250 risk, I would do probably do something like another 20-ish handle stop, take profit up here. Um, oh yeah, also I would not have entered this anyways because ES took out the high already, so there's an S&T. And there's already a big move in the morning, so there's no reason to really take another trade. It's lower probability, but let's see if it works. Eventually, yeah. What do you got? Okay, chill. What do you got tapped in right here? And oh, price is still printing, I guess. So I have no idea if price is gonna hit the target. I guess I'll see later in the day. But yeah, that was a super clean algorithmic trade on a Monday with NFP during the week and with Powell speaking later on in the day. So, you know, it is what it is. Probability speaking, um, more often than not, you're not in favor on these days. So that's why I didn't take that. I was watching it and I saw like, oh, this is perfect setup, but didn't enter because, I know over time, because there's been a large enough data set where these type of days you're gonna lose. I'm not gonna do that. It didn't end up working this time. Could I have been up on my account hella? Yes, it was super clean. It worked out exactly how price should work out on a algorithmic day. But I didn't take it because I know in the long run it will not work in my favor. So did not take that. And tomorrow I should be trading and we'll see how the AM macro pans out. And that's it for today. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed Rocco because I know Rocco's watching it and I don't think anyone else is. Um, love you, Rocco, and I'll see y'all later.